Deep down, we all have this desire to be men of integrity, men of character, the kind of men that others can depend on. An amazing husband, an incredible father. But things can get in the way, right? One of the biggest obstacles that gets in the way of us becoming the men we desire to be is pornography. Well, over the past decade, I've spoken to millions of people around the world about pornography. And the number one question I get is, okay, I get that it's bad, I get that I need to stop, but how exactly? What do I need to do in order to be free? Strive is a 21-day detox from porn. This is the first time I've put everything I've learned into one course to walk you through a step-by-step process to finally break free from pornography and to live a life of freedom. I mean, that's the goal, right? It's about living a life as a man who's come fully alive. If you're really serious about quitting porn, there are very specific things you need to put into place in your life or you're going to fail. Strive is an experience unlike any other. It isn't an isolated program. You're entering a worldwide community of brothers who are committed to a common mission and who are supporting each other along the way. You will perhaps, for the first time, understand why you look at porn, what's happening in your brain when you watch it, know what personal triggers to avoid, and how to use technology and accountability to keep you free for good. Look, you have a decision to make. Will you stay where you are, or will you strive every day to become the man you're called to be? Join me on this 21-day challenge, and I know you'll experience hope and freedom like never before.